Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. Dusty here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can play your Steam games in your Steam library on your phone or your mobile devices like your iPhone, your Android phone, whatever it may be. There's a way to do that for free using Steam Link, which is an app from Steam. So first thing you need to do is obviously go to your mobile device, to the App Store, whether you're Android or iOS, and download the Steam Link application. It looks like the little Steam color there with the controller in the middle. If I go to the App Store, you can see here, Steam Link. It is not Steam Mobile, it is Steam Link. Once you are there, open up Steam Link. And then once you do, it's going to say, welcome to Steam Link. Stream games from your computer with Steam. It's going to say get started with a nice blue button there. Go ahead and tap on the blue get started button. Now, it's going to ask you to pair a controller. A couple of caveats here. Is that I've done this and have tested this with every kind of controller, and I will say that the controller option is much better than the touch control option, obviously. And I have a video tutorial showing you how to set up and link a Bluetooth controller to your mobile devices. I will link that down below, but you definitely want to pair a controller. So I'm going to go ahead and pair my PS4 DualShock controller right now, and then we'll come back on the other side. All right, once you have connected your controller, it's now time to connect your computer. So the first thing you want to do is, you can see I have Steam opened here. If you go to Steam, and then go to Settings, you're going to see a few different things here under Remote Play. You're going to see that you need to have this box checked right here, Enable Remote Play. So you do need to have your PC, whether it be a laptop or a desktop computer, open and running with Steam running, and you need to go ahead and enable Remote Play. Now, once you do this, you're going to see something come up on your mobile device. As we can see here, it says Connect to Computer. Well, there is my PC. You may have to rescan. You may have to go to other computer and type in a 4-digit code. Whatever you have to do, make sure that your mobile device is on the same Wi-Fi network as your computer. So make sure they're on the same network in order for this to work. Now, I'm going to go ahead and tap on the PC that I want to connect it to. It's then going to show me a 4-digit PIN number, as you see right here. Then we're going to hop back over to Steam on my PC, and it's going to say Authorized Device. As you can see right here, I then want to type in the 4-digit code, which in this case is 8949, and then go ahead and click on OK. Once we've done that, back on the mobile device, it's then going to test your network. Obviously, the better your internet connection, the better this service is going to work. I have fairly fast internet here. I will say there are slight lag spikes in certain games, but overall, the experience is really, really good. But again, your use case may be different than mine because of the type or power of internet that you have. Now, network test is complete, as you can see here on my phone. I'm going to go ahead and tap on OK. Now you can see under Steam Link here on my phone, it's got my PC, got my controller set up, and I've got a good connection. That's what you want. Now, if we hop back over to Steam, go to Settings, go to Remote Play. Now you can see my iPhone is indeed paired. Now, if you ever want to unpair a device, all you would have to do is come back here, Settings, Remote Play, go to Unpair Devices, and you are good to go. Now, as far as the client options go, you definitely want to select Balanced. You don't want it to be fast. You don't want it to be beautiful. I found that Balanced is the way to go. If you choose Fast, you're going to have a game that looks really, really bad and grainy. If you choose Beautiful, it's going to lag like crazy, in my experience, regardless of your internet speed. Now, if you want to start playing your game, hop back over to your phone or your mobile device, click on the big button or tap on the big button that says Start Playing. As you can see here, controller settings, that's how, just letting you know about the controller. Now it's connecting to my PC. Now, if we hop back over to the PC, we are now going to see that it is hopping into Remote Play mode, or streaming or big picture mode, whatever you want to call it. It's now going to mirror everything on your PC to your phone. Remember, you must have it open on Steam, whether it's a laptop or a PC, at the same time in order for this to work. Now, I'm going to use my controller, my PS4 DualShock controller, to select my library. Now you can see here, I've got a bunch of different games here in my library. The one that I've been playing mostly is Temtem, which is a kind of a Pokemon-like game recently, and it plays and works wonderfully on my iPad Pro. Oh my goodness, it is an absolute, it's wonderful on the iPad Pro. Now, all I have to do is go ahead and select the game that I want to play, which is in this case, Temtem, go over to play, and I'm using my controller to navigate into all of this. And now if we've done everything appropriately, as you can see here, it is now going to launch the game on my phone. And as you can see now, I am now playing Temtem on my mobile device. This is my iPhone. It is mirroring from Steam to my phone. Hit continue to play the game that I want to play. It'll load up the game just like it would on the PC. And if you've done everything right, you, my friend, can now play any mobile game from your Steam library on your mobile device. Now look at this. I'm now playing Temtem on my phone. So cool. If you have any questions about doing any of this, please put those in the comment section down below. Really do appreciate all of you guys. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.